The current value of Bitcoin SB is 40.0100 per coin, with the previous day's close at 41.2300. The rate of change was 1.2200, 2.96. Bitcoin SB value forecast in US dollars for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. The most severe Bitcoin SB cost projection for July 2023 is $43.10. Lease payments of $56.38, 31.65 is the average for the month. 43.93 Bitcoin SB price gauge for the months and 44.60 change for July. 3.5 BSB to US dollars forecasts for August 2023 to begin at 44.60. Highest price 67.22 is the lowest monthly cost, while 40.98 is the average. 50.26 Bitcoin SB cost estimate for the months and 48.25 adjustment for August. 8.2 Bitcoin SB cost expectation for September 2023. The beginning cost was 48.25 and the most extreme cost was 59.89. The monthly lease cost was 48.25. 53.09 Bitcoin SB cost forecast for the months and 55.97 change for September. 16.0 BSB to US dollars forecast for October 2023 at the beginning cost of 55.97. Most extreme cost. The usual monthly lease fee is $50.99. 55 cents and 12 cents Bitcoin SB price forecast for the months and a 54.83 change for October. 2.0 Bitcoin SB price forecast for November 2023. First and finest price at 54.83. Highest price, the usual monthly lease fee is 54.83. 51.92 Bitcoin SB price gauge for the months and 50.78 change for November. 7.4 BSB to US dollar forecasts for December 2023. First place cost of 50.78. Highest cost 50.78. Lease expense 41.39. The monthly average 46.86 Bitcoin SB cost forecast for the months and 44.50 change for December. 12.4 Bitcoin SB cost forecast for January 2024 to begin at 44.50. Highest cost lease fees of 45.88. 39.88 is the average for the month. 43.29 Bitcoin SB cost number for the months and 42.88 change for January. 3.6 BSB to US dollars forecast for February 2024. In first position cost at 42.88. Highest cost 47.83 is the lease cost. The average for the month is 41.57. 44.25 Bitcoin SB cost forecast for the months and 44.70 change for February. 4.2 Bitcoin SB cost forecast for WAC 2024 before all else cost at 44.70, the lease cost $46.42.34. The average for the month 43.701 cents Bitcoin SB cost estimate for the months and 43.38 change for spring. 3% BSB to US dollar forecasts for April 2024 to begin at 43.38. Biggest cost lease payments of $43.38. The average for the month is 35.69. $40.21 Bitcoin SB cost forecast for the months and 38.38 change for April. 11.5% Bitcoin SB cost forecast for May 2024 before all else cost at 38.38. Most extreme cost $40.14. Lease expenses, the average for the month is 34.88. 37.73 Bitcoin SB cost figure in months and 37.51 change from a 2.3 BSB to US dollars forecast for June 2024. 4 originally cost at 37.51. Most extreme expenses lease payments of $37.81. The average for the month is 32.87. 35.88 Bitcoin SV price forecast for the month 35.34 cents change for June 5.8 Bitcoin SV cost projection for July 2024 starting at 35.34 most extreme cost $35.34 less than the monthly average of 27.90 $32.15 Bitcoin SV prices are expected to rise in the coming months, with a $30 increase in July. 15.1% Bitcoin SV cost forecast for September 2025, before all other costs at 17.19 is the lowest monthly cost of $13.43. 15.56 Bitcoin Point SV cost gauge for the months and 14.44 change for September, 16.0 BSV to US dollars estimates for October 2025 and the highest cost at 14.44 lease cost of $14.44 11.28 is the monthly average. 13.07 Bitcoin SV price gauge for the months and 12.13 change for October, 16.0 Bitcoin SV price forecast for November 2025 to begin at 12.13 greatest price $15.05 least price $12.13 the average for the month 13.35 Bitcoin SV cost number in months and 14.07 change for November. 16.0 BSV to US dollar predictions for December 2025 before all else cost at 14. The most extreme cost is 0.07. 17.46 is the lowest monthly cost of $14.07. 15.48 Bitcoin SV price estimate for the months and 16.32 cents change for December 16.0 Bitcoin SV price expected for January 2026. Beginning cost of 16.32 most extreme cost the lease cost is $17.51. 15.31 is the monthly average. 16.43 Bitcoin SV price forecast for the months and 16.46 change for January 0.9% BSV to US dollar forecast for February 2026 to begin with cost at 16.46 highest cost 19.19 is the lowest monthly cost, while 16.46 is the average. 17.51 Bitcoin SV price forecast for the months and 17.93 change for February 8.9 Bitcoin SV price forecast for WOC 2026. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are getting ready for more gains as stocks try to add to their recent gains. Several macro factors drove the recent rise in a number of asset classes, but experts disagree about how long the current bullish trend will last. Many people have been waiting for a long-awaited slowdown and a return of the 2022 bear market, but neither has happened so far in 2023. In fact, most assets have found buyers, and on July 12, the Nasdaq hit a 52-week high. How is this possible? Will the rise